champions here, back with a new and exciting video. This video is gonna be so much fun than before. You know what I'm doing in this video? I'm gonna unbox iPhone 12 Pro 256GB Pacific Blue color in this video. So friends, here is my iPhone 12. You can see. Let's open it. Friends, I already opened it because I was in such a hurry, in such an excitement. So I just already opened it. See, we already put a SIM card in this. I made this video to show you how it looks like. It just comes in a simple packing, and you can see this is iPhone 12 Pro 256 Pacific Blue. See? Okay, let's take it out. Whoa. Yes! You can see. What a phone! See, friends. Friends, you will get only the cable and the stickers of iPhone in with this phone. You will not get adapter. You need to purchase adapter by yourself. Friends, this iPhone 12 Pro comes in 4 colors: gold, silver, graphite and Pacific blue. The Pacific blue is the most wanted and most best color of iPhone. Let's on it. You can see. So friends, you will get only the cable with this mobile. You can see only the cable, not the adapter. See, such a beautiful screen. Friends, the Indian price of iPhone 12 Pro 256GB on Amazon is 1,39,900, but on Sri Lanka it is approximately 3 lakhs plus. So friends, you can see the wallpaper of this box and the iPhone is same. See? So friends, I will meet you in my next fun video. Till then, bye, and please subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos and comment on my videos, and please hit the bell button so you will see all the new videos. So bye friends.